Hunter, who has always been a very fascinating child as far as I'm concerned, is now living in Charlottesville with his girlfriend George.
Fiance,
Talitha.
Yep.
And Hunter is writing the Great American Novel. We're hoping that it's finished in the next couple of years. He's extremely dedicated to it and loving that. He's also substituting in schools in Charlottesville and from time to time doing video work. And George is working with State Farm. And she recently has had a promotion. She was doing casework for the insurance company, and now she's teaching others to do so. So that's a nice change for her. Cody Schaefer is a geologist. My grandson, the geologist, and so dedicated to what he is doing and what he has done already in his career. He is with Maddie, a wonderful young lady who is a nurse working in Richmond. She works the night shift, gets along just fine doing that, works 12 hours at a stretch. So they are a very solid couple and moving into their future beautifully. The next children